Hello guys, welcome to the Ding Dong channel. Today we're gonna learn how to speed up your PC or laptop. At first, if you are in my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more helpful video for you guys. Okay, now come to the point. When we start using our PC for a long time, we should follow that how to keep our PC or laptop fresh as new. The first is if you have any antivirus software, just simply install them, because antivirus software will use your more RAM and your PC will become more slower. Instead of antivirus in your PC, you have one Windows security system. You can use them. Just go to search bar and write here Windows security. Click on enter. Here you will see one interface. If you have that app and browse control is turned off, just simply turn it on and then click on yes. Your app control is no action needed. Okay, and then you will come to virus and threat protection setting. You will search at scan. There is quick scan. You can search it quick scan. If you have any virus issue in your PC, it will show you from here, and then you simply you can remove them. And then second step is go to the search bar, type your run. Here you will type first prefetch, prefetch. Click OK. Then here you will see that a lot of file are here. Actually, when you use your PC will take a lot of junk file which is useless, so you should remove them, because those junk file will use your more RAM and then your PC will become more slower. So just simply select them all, Control A and then Control D. Okay, then again come to the search bar, write here run mode, then type here percentage temp, again percentage, click OK. Then here you will see also some file are here. Just select them all and delete it. Which file will not delete, just let it be skipped, no problem, it's not a big issue. Close it. Again come to the run point, then click on run, right here temp, enter. I don't have actually any file here. If you have any file here, just simply select them all and delete them all. Okay, and then when you start your PC start loading a lot of software, so simply you can go to the taskbar and click here right button, go to the task manager, and here you will see that all of the background apps are here. So you can do just write here which apps you don't want to use. Just come here and then click on right button and then end task, click here end task, finish. Like that you can remove them from here. And then another step is come to the search bar. Here you will see that one storage, such as storage sense storage cn se storage sense. If you have that option turn off, just turn it off. This here you can see storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of file you don't need, like temporary files and content in your resale bin. You just simply turn it on, so if you have any temporary files which is you don't need, those file will be automatically deleted from there. Okay, then cross it. And actually there is a lot of reason for to become your PC slower. It might be less RAM. If you have less RAM, then you should upgrade the RAM, because when you start using 2 3 4 kind of software. When you open them or any browse 2 3 4, when it's becoming much, your RAM cannot load them together. So when you uh, when you start using much things, then your PC is becoming more slower. So you should I can recommend you should upgrade your RAM. If you upgrade your RAM, then your PC will work faster. As you can see that how much GB I am using on my PC. About, look, I have 12 GB RAM. So if you have in your PC like 4 GB or maximum people are using maybe 4 GB. So if you have 4 GB, just upgrade 4 more GB. Or if 4 GB is not enough, if you are using if you are using more bigger file, uh, then you should upgrade more RAM. Okay. And the best thing is you should the best thing is if you could upgrade one SSD card in your PC or laptop, it will work very much faster than now. Because when we use like hard disk is working very slow. And when you like if you have one SSD card, then you simply just use that hard disk as your storage. Okay, use your hard disk as storage, and the SSD card, just windows your laptop in SSD card and use your hard disk as storage. Then your PC could work very much faster than now. This is the best things I can recommend for you guys, more than anything else. Okay, just take one SSD card which is suitable for your laptop or PC, and then windows it newly, and windows it in SSD card, and use your hard disk as storage. That's it. If you want to put any file or anything, then you can do it. And this is the best things I can tell you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video might help your PC to work more faster. See you in next video.